Hi guys, how are you all doing? And this is a new video. So today what we are going to be trying to do, this car we're almost done with it. So what I want us to do today in this video is to try and see if we can put it in a state where the car will be stable enough to drive it, right? So all the other things that is needed for this car to drive, I have already bought them. Things like remember when I complained about the airflow meter sockets? So I bought another socket. Though the problem right now is that the wiring colors are not the same, but it is the same thing. Though the wiring colors are not the same, but it is still the same exact thing. So other than that, the only other thing that that we'll be looking at is getting the air filter box installed, which I've already bought them. And also I bought new brake pads for the rear brakes. So we're going to be starting now. That is just what I want to say. So today, hopefully, we'll drive this car. All right guys, so we've done we've done a little bit of modification, and with the few things that we've done, I expected that this car should start and stay. So let's see how it goes. Oh boy. We're out of battery. One more. All right, so the vehicle is proving a little bit difficult. It's not complying. So I fear what I don't want to do, I'll have to do them. So what I'm going to have to do now is I will take out all the plugs and the coils and see what's going on inside and why the car is refusing to start. All right, let's go. Yo, what's up, my G? So this is what I thought we were going to be able to get away with the plug that came inside of the vehicle. If you notice here, you can see that all this place is black. It's black. And I did a home test of these plugs. Some of them are not working properly. So these plugs look short. Seems like they are dead. Look at this one. So though I don't really, this should not die all of it, so this should supposed to work. Well, for some reason all of them are not, they are not good. These ones are dead completely. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to have to go to Aspanda to get new plugs. So Abba on the other hand is going to rebuild this this fuel injector. So we notice that one of them is blocked, so he's going to rebuild it. All right, so we just came back from the market to get all the things we needed. The two injectors that were bad, we have two bad injectors, so we've gotten new ones. If you recall, when I was starting the vehicle, there was an ABS light that was popping up, and the reason is because there was no brake oil inside of it. So right now we've put new fresh brake oil. We bought that battery, but this battery is for the Dodge. So, and also new spark plug. So how about now we're going to be fixing those spark plugs in, and then let's see how it goes. All right, so we are done. We've mounted everything back. Although I'm still going to be using it later to do some cleanups, but just to get the vehicle started, we've done some maintenance. There are a few things that we've changed. So we've replaced all the spark plugs, and then the injectors, 2 of the injectors that are bad, we've replaced them. So in theory, if all fingers are well crossed and all hope is very, very high, this car should start. All right, how about the key? All right, so I'm going to start the vehicle now. Let me clear this place. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, this is weird. You hear that sound? All right, the engine is working and it's not going off again. No. So much water. I will need to scan the car. The motor is for limp mode. Some sensors no let them move well. So I suspect say the throttle body sensor no work. What are they come out? What are they come out? Where? Water come outside plenty. Are you serious? Did they pour out? Alright, we're about to call it a day, and we've done as much as we can. The car is starting now. It runs, stays on idle. Sometimes it tries to balance itself, and I think we were able to get the airflow meter wiring. I'm not so sure, but it's been recognized now on the computer. What's left is here. This coil is not working, so tomorrow I'll go home, get another coil from the Infinity I packed down. I'll get a coil from that one, and on Monday we'll be installing the coil here and see what's going to happen. So until then, see you all later. Alright guys, so this is man, this is a very, very bad day. It's not a bad day, but so my fear, what I'm actually afraid of, has caught up with me when it comes to the issue of this Infinity, and that is from the day we started this vehicle for the first time, and then the engine came to life and then went back off, came to life, was jerking. I had that suspicion that something is wrong with the valves, right? I had the serious suspicion, but I was trying to presume it's either the injectors or the coils or the plugs, but at the back of my mind I knew that it's the valve, because of the way the vehicle do go off. You can hear, you can feel the last, when it wants to go off, the way it's going off, as if there is too much air going inside of the engine. And when I also checked the code, the live data, when the engine was on, when I was checking the live data, the few things I saw was that the fuel system, the fuel trim was showing lean. So even without the airflow meter inside, it should be showing rich, not lean. That was what gave it away that this vehicle, something is wrong with the valve. And for those of you that don't know, we've corrected the airflow meter wiring. Now this is how it is supposed to be from the factory, because I was able to find the color matching code from the other Infinity I own. So on this side, we suspect seriously that something is wrong with the valve of this vehicle, so it's not closing properly and it's taking in too much air. This is why the engine refused to run normal. So the only solution now, the only way now is, I have called a friend of mine by the name of Sule. So Sule is going to be coming down here tomorrow to assist me to take this engine out, and then we're going to be working on the valve and see what's wrong with it. As for the Dodge, I've called on Johnson, because Johnson is the one that is working on it right now. I just want him to finish it so I can pay him for it. I don't want to be doing his work for him. The only problem with that Dodge now is there's a noise that is coming inside of the converter, which is something I could do myself, but I don't want. I'm going to give Johnson money, so let him just go through the stress, please. I will not do the stress for him. In any case, on this Infinity, we have to take the engine out. We have to fuck. Don't mind my language. If you know the main reason why I said that, you're just going to pity me. Bringing out an Infinity G37 engine is not easy whatsoever. I've done this like 4 times, not on this particular vehicle, on the vehicle I worked on, and I made some mistake. That was why I was bringing that, and I know how difficult it is to remove the engine of this vehicle. It's very, very, very difficult. So, but in any case, we have no choice at this point. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to see how we're going to bring it back to life. So this is just going to be the end of the video. My mind is completely filled right now. So see you guys later. Bye bye.